Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And so basically in this video, if you watched last video, you saw that we completed one Lego set out of the 6 I have. And so the Lego set we are going to be building today is another Lego City one. This is the ATV race team set, and the numbers is 60148. So that if you want to get this set, it is 60148. And actually, I just realized that this and that are almost the same number, but they are one number off. So that's kind of interesting, to say the least. But anyway, so we are going to be opening this. So I already kind of cut it a bit. But now let's get the packs. So this is pack 3. This is pack... what? Wait, what? Okay, hold on. Well, that is pack 1. This is pack 2. No, that is pack 3. And then this is pack 2. And then I have pack 1. And then, okay, so I don't need this now. So, I guess there are 2 construction books. That is kind of odd. Strange, whatever. So, I guess the first one, I guess this book is just the first pack, and then the second booklet is both. It contains both of those packets. Anyways, so we are building the small cars first, I guess. So let me get that. Okay. Oops, excuse me. Gonna drink water. Okay, so let's get building. First, head. Second, cap. Because that's what they wear. One of them wears. But I'll just put on the torso first. Come on. Okay, here's the cap. They also have a helmet, too, just in case. There we go. Let's build the second helmet now, if I can find it. Where are you? Helmet. Okay, there it is. Okay, well first there's the legs. And then there's the helmet. Okay. Now let's put the head on. And now let's put the helmet on. But she also has hair too, so if you want to wear it, that's also optional. Okay, here's the legs. And then we give this guy a wrench in one of his hands. Because he's like a car mechanic or something, I don't know. Anyways, done with the characters now. On to building. So, first, this, that, And maybe bring like, oh no, hold on. Like lower this down maybe. Okay. And now let's build. So there we go. Then that white thing there. Then this goes here. I don't know what this is for, but it's for something that's going to maybe be used later on. I do not know. Now we got that thing. Oh, 2 by 4. No, wait. Yeah, 2 by 4. And now we put this thing on top of it. And then we put these on this side. And then we put this on top. Okay, I'm back. Alright. Alright, well, let's put these on. And then I don't know where that okay, there it is. So this is what we have right now. Ain't really much. But we are building the body of the car. And now we do that. And then we do that. And so then we do this. Okay. And then we put something on here. And then this goes here. And then this goes here. And then we put a sticker. Okay. Hopefully I can center it. Okay, well, I guess that's fine. And then here's the handle thing, or whatever. And then there's these for the tires. Okay, there we go. Okay. Hold on, let me check. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that the microphone's volume is high enough, because I don't want it to be quiet, and so you guys can hear me. Okay, and then this goes here. Okay, so now we put in the wheels. Attempt to put them in. Okay, we got this. Boom. 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 So that's the first car done. So now put that onto the side. And now, first we need this one again. The cords are in the way. Yikes. Let's put that there. There we go. The cords aren't in the way now. So now we have this. And then this goes here. Okay. And then, so this is the basic same stuff repetition for a couple until we put on this red stuff, which is different because this is a red car and not orange. I mean yellow. So this goes here, this goes here, and this also goes here. And then, so this is basically the same thing. Okay, yep, and then that goes there. Not shocking. And the same stickers and stuff. Yep, that goes there, that goes there. Okay. And then, yep, that thing. Excuse me. And then number 7 goes on it. Okay. And then the wheel, steering wheel thing. And then the wheel stuff, which I already did. You know, whatever. So this again, not surprising. Okay, and then this goes here. Okay. And then these go in here. And then just like that, we are done with both of the cars. Vroom, vroom, vroom. So since we have some more time, I am going to start the second packet. Let's try doing some of it. Okay, first of all. Okay, first I have to open it. Okay, hold on. And then let's do this here. First of all, we need this long thing. And now, I need to space this out first. So this goes here. And then a white thing goes here also. No, wait. I put it in the wrong place. It goes here. And then that goes there. And then this goes here. And then a big grid thing goes here, maybe? Hold on. Yep, it does. So this is what we have right now. Not much. But we're just getting started. Okay, so then another one of this and that. No, wait. First I do that, and I do that, and then that. Okay. And, oh wait, what? And then I build that and put that on. And after that, I'm going to end the video, because I don't want this to be too long. Okay, there we go. And then there we go. And then this goes on here. And then, so this is what we have right now. It is not much. But I do not want to make this video too long. So I'm going to let me put this on first actually. For some support. Okay, but I'm going to end the video here. So, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next part. Bye!